Hello guys, this is Garcha again from GFB Foreign Market Brokers Dubai. As we discussed yesterday, today I will tell you about the stocks, its recommendations. This is not our analysis, this is from some good reputed company from Dubai. So this I will discuss with you. So let us see, this analysis is based on the support, resistance, demand and supply, and on the volume of the stocks. So let us start with the Apple. Apple currently is trading on 345 approximately, and the target we are looking is 357. Amazon current price is 2650. The target is 2710. Microsoft currently moving at 194, and the level we are looking is 198. Tesla 970, target 1018. Alibaba 218, and target we are looking 223. Starbucks stock is trading currently on 72, and the level we are looking for 80. Facebook is 232, and the target we are looking for 241. Netflix current price is 443 approximately, and the level we are looking 455. Then let us see Boeing. So as before also I told you about the Boeing. Currently target is 179, the level is 179, and the target we are looking around 200, 208. Actually the long way to go. So target is open, but let us take it around 200. Again, American Airlines 15 current price, and the level we are looking for around 17.3, and maybe the target will be open like 18.3, 18.7, something like that. United Airlines current price is 34, and target is around 42.5. First target, and second you can keep again 42.5. Actually for the airline industries, the upside level is still open because it has dropped down because of the coronavirus. Flights were locked, completely this functions were stopped. So now when the market will open again, there will be a big boom in the market, in the airline industry. Lufthansa 9.75, target 10.45, as I told you before also. Airbus 65.75, and the level we are looking is around 74. Zoom, we are using Zoom video these days, so 233, 250. 233 is the current level and 250 is the target. Ford 6, it is moving on the 6.1 to 5.75, and the level we are looking for 6.65. Pfizer 32 current level and 35 is the target. Walmart, very good, it is moving. I have information from the personal sources in USA and Canada. So Walmart is doing very good. 117 is the current level and 121, 123. Personally, even the people living over there also, they are saying these days Walmart is doing very well. So Walmart is one good stock you can buy and hold for a long time. McDonald's 181 and 196 is the target. For the McDonald's, I will tell you that they are advertising that without touching a hand they are making the burgers. So it is a good scheme they are using for advertising, and definitely advertisements advertisement actually hit the minds of the consumers. So definitely there will be a growth. Kraft 31.5, the target we are looking for 35. Snap 21, and the level we are looking for 24. Uber 31, 30, something like that going. 34 is the level. Twitter, social media, again I'm saying we are using so much these days, so 32 is the current price going on, and around 35.5 is the upcoming price. BP you can its target is huge. and the long way to go. You can buy the BP and leave it. But you can keep the target for the now. I will tell you 305 approximately the price is going, sometimes going down to 280. The level we are looking 340 to 360. It's very good stock actually. Chevron 88 is the current price, and 98 to 102 you can keep the target. Disney 113 current price, 120 will be the target. GE also is very good stock. 6.80 is the current price approximately, and 7.85 is the target. So this is as per the stocks recommendation, and I'm again telling you these are not my recommendations. This we have used of some very good company, because they are sending to us, so I would like to share with you. Secondly, about the, again coming back to the forex market. Forex, yesterday I told you about the keeping the sell side of the European and the British stocks, and US market, and this the Canadian market. This side I was telling you to keep buy about the currencies. So the trend is the same right now. We can follow the same. If any changes will come, I will update you. The reason I told you about keeping the Euro and Euro JPY, Euro USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY in the sell side, because GBP USD already have taken the long movement towards the sell side. And why I told you to keep the USD CAD in the buy side, because GBP USD, we all know it is very volatile currency, and it has already passed that, it has already crossed that level, that spree which it was coming down. It has already taken a big movement, but still Euro JPY in the downside, it has reached the halfway. And as you know, GBP USD, for example, if it is moving one side, at the half thing Euro USD will cross. So it is GBP USD is responding faster than the Euro USD. So it is like a trail. So it is the Euro USD, in my opinion, it will follow the complete trail. And again, same thing regarding the USD Canada. USD Canada, only the small movement have been seen. And you know, GBP USD and USD Canada both are opposite to each other. So USD Canada has to also achieve the same trail upside. So it has moved very, like it is a very limited movement right now. There's a long way to go for the USD Canada. So this is for today. If you have any doubt, query, you can please send me message, WhatsApp, and I will also update you if there is any new changes comes in the market. Okay. Keep trading, keep making money. Thank you. Bye bye for now.